Data One presents A Tale of Two Businesses. Business A sticks with the status quo when it comes to processing credit card sales, and that means they still navigate through confusing processing statements. They still struggle with the hassle of renegotiating credit card processor agreements, and they're still giving up 2 to 4% of hard-earned profit every month in credit card fees. Business B has discovered the Data One cash discount program, and that means that now they get unlimited credit card processing for one low fixed monthly payment. They eliminate all transaction fees by passing them on to customers at the point of sale, and they get to keep more of their money by offsetting up to 95% of the costs associated with the old way of processing credit card payments. Here's how it works. If you're a business owner, you simply use our technology to set separate prices for cash and credit card purchases. When customers choose to pay with a card, the difference between the cash and credit price is automatically added to the total and paid by the customer, instead of being paid by you. That means more of your money stays in your pocket, and you can put the money back into upgrades to your business, benefits for your employees, or good times with your family. So, when you're ready to start writing new success stories for your business, contact us today for a complimentary rate review. Learn more at flatpriceprocessing.com.